What's up, traders? Let's have a quick look at Euro Japanese yen from a monthly time frame and a multi time frame analysis for this pair. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Let's check it out. Now, on the monthly time frame, it's quite simple and clear to say that the market had created this W formation over here. And normally with a W formation, what can we expect from a W formation is that the market will need to come down and retest this neckline of the W formation, which was previous resistance here, now turn support here for the next push to the upside. Okay, and this is what we are basically getting right now. We are starting to get the push to the downside, which I already took with my students, and we had a very good 222 pip drop. Excuse me. Now, if you have a look at the weekly time frame, it's quite clear to see that the market has already reached a very strong area in the market, which is previous resistance here, now turned support here. So it's quite clear that the market needs to make a retracement. If you have a look at this big move to the downside, within this big move, there is no such correction, there is no such anything. If you have a look at it from a price action point of view, the market did not make any sort of correction on the weekly time frame. So what can we expect? If the market makes a big impulse to the downside, we are expecting the market now to come up and retest the previous support, which is here, now turned resistance in this area, and further continuation to the downside to reach our target. Okay, so let's look at it from a price action point of view. If you have a look at this area here, the market had a lot of hard time to actually break to the downside of this area. You can see that the market had an accumulation of buy pressure in this area and then broke up to the upside, but then closed below this area. So this area is a strong area, and we can expect on a weekly time frame or on a daily time frame the market to now start to come and retest this area and further continuation to the downside. Let's go down on the daily time frame and check out the daily time frame, what kind of price action we have. It's quite clear. You can see that the market had support here and support here. We had a lot of resistance here. So if the market now broke to the downside, it means that this area here will become resistance and then further continuation to the downside. But you always need to wait for confirmation first before entering any trade. So on the daily time frame, what we are looking for with our students and members, we want to see the market come up to this area here for a retest of the previous support, now turned resistance in the area, and further continuation to the downside. The most important thing is if the market will come up to this area, in this area over here on the 4-hour time frame, we'll be watching the market environment and also the market structure to enter our trade to the downside. If the market will break structure, which means the market will create lower highs and lower lows, then we will definitely be interested in taking a short with this pair. But of course, if the market will now break through this area and start making higher highs and higher lows, then we will not be interested in a shorting opportunity, but we will change our perspective in the market and take this trade to the upside. But there is a very, very good possibility that the market will definitely make a push to the downside because we need to see the market retesting that monthly zone over here, the W formation, the neckline. So we need to see the market at least touch this area for us to actually be in a good opportunity to take this trade to the downside. This is the target that we want to see. We want to see the market at least reach to this area here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, leave me a like and a comment below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational videos like this, and it will help you guys throughout your week, next week, and every other week for you guys to watch this so that you know which way the market is going. Thank you very much, and I appreciate your support. See you guys in the next video.